In this video, we will see how to convert LTime durations into days, hours, and minutes, using the ladder language on an S7-1500 PLC. This conversion is common in industrial supervision, where operators need to visualize durations in a readable format. Here are the points we will cover. First, the creation of the TIA portal project with an S7-1500 CPU. Second, the definition of a UDT data structure to store the results. Third, the creation of a global data block for the 3 tanks. Fourth, the development of a conversion function in ladder with 10 networks. Fifth, calling this function in the main program OB1 and initialization in OB100. And finally, complete validation in PLCSim simulation with a watch table. Let's start by creating our TIA portal project. We will name it LTime Conversion LAD and use a 1511 to 1PN CPU. We choose a version 1 article, compatible with PLCSim Advanced for simulation. The project will be opened with the UI. The project is created with the CPU 1511 to 1PN. We will now define our data structure, the UDT typeTankTime. This structure contains 3 integer members, days for days, hours for hours, and minutes for minutes. This is the output format of our conversion. The UDT typeTankTime is now created. We will create the global data block DB TankMonitoring. This block will contain the data for our 3 tanks, for each an LTime input variable and a typeTankTime structure for the conversion result. We will first create the empty DB, then add each member individually. The DB TankMonitoring data block is now created with its 6 members, 3 LTime variables for the raw durations of each tank, and 3 typeTankTime structures to store the converted results. Let's move now to the heart of the tutorial, the FC convert LTime to DHM conversion function in ladder. This function contains 10 networks. The first network uses a move to transfer the LTime value to a long integer, as the convert instruction does not support the LTime type in LAD. Networks 2 to 7 perform arithmetic calculations with divisions and modulos to extract days, hours, and minutes. The last 3 networks convert the results from lint to int. The FC convert LTime to DHM function is created with its 10 ladder networks. We will now configure the OB1 main program to call this function 3 times, once per tank. We must first delete the existing empty OB1, then recreate it with the 3 calling networks. OB1 is configured with 3 calls to our conversion function, 1 per tank. We will now create the OB100 initialization block, also called startup. This block runs once at CPU startup. It initializes all LTime variables and results to 0. This is a standard practice in industrial automation to ensure a known and clean state at startup. OB100 Startup is created with its 6 initialization networks. All our blocks are now in place. We will compile the project to check for any errors. Compilation completed successfully, no errors and no warnings. We will now create a watch table to visualize all variables in real time. This table will contain the 12 entries, the 3 input LTime values and the 9 conversion results. The watch table is created with the 12 variables to monitor. We now move to the simulation phase with PLCSim Advanced. We will create a simulator instance, download our program to it, then write test values to verify that the conversion works correctly. The PLCSim instance is created and powered on. We will now download our program to the simulator. The program is downloaded and the CPU is running. We are connected online. We will now write the test values in the 3 tanks. Tank 1 will receive 90,000 seconds in nanoseconds, which corresponds to 1 day, 1 hour, and 0 minutes. Tank 2 will receive 163,800 seconds, or 1 day, 21 hours, and 30 minutes. And Tank 3 will receive 500,000 seconds, or 5 days, 18 hours, and 53 minutes. The results are perfect. Tank 1 displays 1 day, 1 hour, and 0 minutes. Tank 2 displays 1 day, 21 hours, and 30 minutes. And Tank 3 displays 5 days, 18 hours, and 53 minutes. All values correspond exactly to the expected results. The LTime to days, hours, and minutes conversion works perfectly. This tutorial is now finished. We have seen how to convert LTime durations into days, hours, and minutes in ladder language on an S7-1500 PLC. We created a UDT structure, a global data block for 3 tanks, a 10-network LAD conversion function, and validated everything in PLCSim Advanced simulation. This technique is directly applicable in industrial supervision, where operators need to visualize durations in a readable format. Thank you for following this presentation.